I want to help people to understand how carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases are changing climate and what to do to slow it down. Greenhouse effect is warming of the Earth's surface, caused by carbon dioxide, methane, and other pollutants, and called greenhouse gases. They trap the heat in the Earth's atmosphere, causing climate change. This will have an effect on our way of life on the planet. To collect the data for this speech, I used information from EPA.gov, NASA's website, and other scientific sources. Human activities are responsible for almost all of the increase in greenhouse gas emissions in the last 150 years. Carbon dioxide is a pollutant causing acidification of the oceans and the destructive coral bleaching in the last 200 years. The ocean's acidity has increased by 30%. This is problematic for ocean ecosystems and commercial seafood production. People can lower their carbon footprint, which is the amount of carbon compounds emitted due to consumption of fossil fuels. The majority of greenhouse gas come from burning of fossil fuels for electric power production, transportation, and industry. Deforestation and agriculture also add to it. This visual aid explains greenhouse effect. Published evidence indicates that the net damage costs of climate change are likely to be significant and will increase over time. Future effects of global warming will cause temperatures to rise, lengthening of frost-free seasons, changing of precipitation patterns. Climate change will bring more droughts, heat waves, wildfires causing sea level rising, coral bleaching, coastal storms will all be more damaging. This visual aid shows the U.S. greenhouse gases by sector and the rising of the concentration of greenhouse gases. Climate change is man-made, and we all should work together to stop it. We have to lower our carbon footprint by saving energy. There are many ways we can save energy by using it efficiently. LED bulbs, conserving water, switching off lights when leaving the room, recycling, conserving paper. For example, recycling aluminum is 90% more energy efficient than producing aluminum from raw materials. Replacing disposable products with reusable ones helps lower the waste. We can use rechargeable batteries, reusable coffee filters, refillable ink cartridges, and replace paper napkins with cloth napkins. Another thing we can do is use renewable energy like solar panels and wind generators. Man-made greenhouse gases are changing the climate. Global warming will have a negative influence on the life of this planet. Humans must reduce fossil fuel usage. In the meantime, we have to prepare and make sure that our infrastructure can withstand the climate change that we cannot avoid. President Barack Obama said, "We are the first generation to feel the effect of climate change and the last generation who can do something about it." My sources are from edf.org, an expert interview from youtube.com, climate.nasa.gov, globalstewards.org, georgetown.edu, c2es.org. Thank you, and please recycle.